in today's video, I'm going to talk about what to do if you're out skating and you find yourself out of control. I mean, you can't turn and stop and you don't know what to do. First, don't panic. Take deep breaths and stay calm. Panicking is only going to make the situation worse. If you feel like you're going to crash, get low. That'll lower your center of gravity and lessen the impact of a fall. The easiest thing to do is to just open up your stance, which should slow you down. And if you have space, transfer your weight. Making turns is going to be the best way to stay in control. Right now I'm doing parallel turns, which are a little bit trickier. More beginner and easier, that wide stance and transferring your weight side to stay slow or come to a stop. Or depending on where you're skating, you could think about pointing your skates into the grass. The grass will definitely slow you down. It might also stop you. And one thing I love about the grass is if you do end up crashing, it's a softer landing for your fall. Too much. When you go into the grass, just remember to slightly lift up your toes so you don't trip on it. Dragging your back foot in the shape of a T-stop, is a great way to speed check. But you do want to be careful. You don't want to hold it for too long and too hard. Apply gentle pressure with your back foot so you don't ruin your wheels. This is also why, if you have a heel brake, that's the best for being out of control because it's pretty easy to use. Just scissor and drag your heel brake all the way down. This video is for if you don't have one or don't know how to use it. The best way to not get out of control is to just prevent it. Learn on a smooth, flat surface in a controlled area. Trails and streets are fun, but they can be variable terrain and unpredictable, and that's when people get out of control. What I would recommend learning before journeying out into the rest of the world is stopping. The plow stop is a great and an easy one, or a T-stop. Your heel brake, if you have one, scissor your feet, lift up your toe, use your heel brake. And turning, because like I showed you before, going downhill, turns are a powerful way to stay in control. So the monster turn's the easiest, wide stance, transferring your weight, and practice your parallel turns as well. Stay patient, don't panic, learn to turn and stop. Thanks for watching my videos. I'll see you next time.
Whether you're ready or not, I'm but too plenty, drop.